How to show your YouTube on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show your YouTube on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click here on your profile, and now just go down and you will find this one, edit profile. Click on it and then go down and you will find this one here, links, and then click add and click add social link and click on platform, and here select YouTube and add your YouTube username, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.